Are you trying to decide between Google One and Apple One? You're not alone. Today, we'll break down these two popular services and help you choose the best one for your needs. Both Google One and Apple One offer cloud storage and additional features to enhance your digital life. They aim to keep your data safe and make your online experience smoother. Let's start with Google One. This service provides extra storage for Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. It also offers family sharing, so you can share your storage with up to 5 people. Plus, Google One gives you access to expert support and exclusive discounts on hotels and other services. Now, let's talk about Apple One. This subscription bundles several Apple services together. You get iCloud storage, Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, and Apple Arcade. It's a great choice if you're already deep into the Apple ecosystem. Apple One also allows you to share your subscription with family members. Now, what are the key differences? Google One is mostly about storage and support, while Apple One focuses on entertainment and multiple services. If you want more cloud space, Google One might be the way to go. But if you enjoy Apple's music and TV services, then Apple One could be a better fit. When it comes to features, Google One offers more storage options, while Apple One gives you access to a variety of media. Both services have family sharing, making them great for households. In terms of pricing, both offer different tiers to fit various budgets. Google One is flexible with its storage plans, while Apple One has set bundles that may save you money if you use multiple Apple services. So, which one should you choose? If you need more storage and support, go for Google One. If you want a mix of entertainment and iCloud storage, Apple One is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.